morning, campers. Let's avoid the giant pothole. Alright, so we're going to serpentine out of this dirt lot. So we avoid the potholes, but we do not put our trailer in the ditch. Little bitty road here. We are in Waldron, Arkansas. Don't hit the sign with the mirror. Yeah, we're good. Am I avoiding the ditch with the trailer? One way to find out. Full throttle. There we go.
Take the next right onto West 2nd Street.
We are good. Just picked up a load here from the Tyson. That was a smart car. Low end smart car. Nobody coming. Cool. So let's just roll through this.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto US 71 North.
Because we only have a yield sign there. Excellent. Oh, sorry. Am I being too slow? I'm sorry. Thank you for patiently waiting for me to get things figured out. Still had my earpiece in. I was acting like I was talking on the phone, and I'm not. I'm talking to you all in my microphone, in my camera. But yeah, we are in Waldron, Arkansas. Just picked up a load of delicious chickens. Dead chickens, parts of chickens, various chickens, probably not whole chickens. I don't know. Just look at all them chickens. It's fine. I know what I'm doing. Lovely
Take the next
example.
right onto US 71 North.
Thank you. Lovely example of a Tyson customer.
Continue on US 71 North for 17 miles.
Clear shot. This is one of the rare Tysons with a paved lot. So that was nice. We're still covered in dirt from the Tyson we dropped out last night, but it's fine. It's fine. Everything's good. I can't say where we're going because it's a little ways away. So we might not be there yet by the time I upload this video. The high beams are a little unnecessary, dude, but I'm not gonna put them back. I'm trying to grow past such petty displays of anger as flashing the high beams at someone else whose high beams are on. Trying to be a more chill driver, which is, you know, hard because I was already a pretty chill driver. And there's Sonic. Wonder what happened to their sign. Looks like it got hit by something up in the air, so I wonder if maybe this place didn't have a tornado at some point. Because that tends to be what those signs look like after a tornado. I have experience in that department. Bump. That was a really bumpy bridge. Sorry, we're headed up to Fort Smith, Arkansas, because there's a cat scale there, which we are going to be. What on earth is that coming toward me with 3 headlights? What is that? Is that an? Oh, it's a tractor. Okay. Alright. I'm like, I had no idea. I thought for a moment it might have been an Amish buggy, because we passed a whole bunch of Amish in southern Missouri the other day, off camera. But no, that was not an Amish group. It was just a tractor. We're speeding a little bit, but this is like the only good section of road we get until we get back up into the hills. So I'm trying to just not make everybody behind me angry. Which, you know, there'll be plenty of time for them to get angry as we get into the twisty bits and I have to slow down because I'm in a loaded truck. should probably keep this pretty short. But it is a lovely little part of Arkansas down here. You guys are in for the nice straight bits. It'll get twisty and windy in a minute. Eventually, Interstate 49 is supposed to come through somewhere around here. I don't know if it's going to hit Waldron or not. Though for the most part, it does parallel US Highway 71, which is what we are on, at least in all the parts that have already been built. Unfortunately, the bit between Fort Smith and Texarkana has not yet been built. You got Texarkana down to Shreveport, Shreveport down to Baton Rouge, or near Baton Rouge. And to the north, you have Fort Smith to Fayetteville. Well, to Belle something. Belle Plaine? I don't know. But you do not get, oops, you do not get the part of 49 that connects Fort Smith and Texarkana. Woo! Probably should have slowed down a little bit more for that turn. That's fine. We're good. Professional driver. Well, you also don't get the part of 49 that goes across the Missouri-Arkansas border. Neither side has finished that yet. Though 49, it's just discontinuous there. You jump on 71 for a bit, and then you're back on 49 once you're in Missouri. So they're not super great at finishing 49. 49 is the eternally unfinished interstate. Though from southern Missouri, it does go all the way to where it's supposed to end in Kansas City. Sort of. It's supposed to go all the way through Kansas City and meet up with Interstate 29. I personally think they should just both be numbered the same. But someone decided that the number needs to change on that particular interstate where it crosses 35, so it does. I don't see the point. There's lots of other places where that rule is broken in the interstate highway system. Oof. Bumpy. Oh, are we catching somebody? Am I actually faster than a four-wheeler out here? That's incredible. Oh, we're struggling up this hill, though. It's fine. It's fine. We're all good. But yeah, 49 is supposed to go through Kansas City, and instead, they bulldozed all the houses that were in the way of the highway, and then promptly got stopped from building the freeway. So it's like the worst of both worlds. Like, normally, it really sucks to see a freeway go through a major city, because it always leads to pain. It's houses get destroyed, businesses get destroyed. Also, cars can move through a little bit faster. Not even that much faster, because you wind up with gridlock on basically every urban interstate. That's got their headlights or their high beams on. Yeah, it's not worth it in my experience. I'd rather just see normal highways into major urban areas with interstates going around them to give access to all the different ways you can go into the city, rather than highways that just go through the cities. But, you know, I'm not a road designer, I'm a road user. So I do not get a say in that. But yeah, 49 at the very least does connect to the 435 loop, so you can go easily around Kansas City the way it is meant to be. There are some vicious red light cameras on the little bit of 71 that goes down into a surface road in Kansas City where they weren't able to build the freeway. Really is just the worst of both worlds. They did all the destruction to build the freeway and then got stopped from actually building the freeway. So it's just like, you know, all of this pain and loss with no highway to show for it. Doesn't make any sense to me, but you know, I guess there is some sense of victory for the people that were trying to stop it from getting built, even if it still claimed all of the houses that were in the way. I get it. I definitely get that. But anyway, I think I'm out of time. I might be beyond out of time. Oh, right out of time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!